Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Garden brand Garden Decor Statue. This is a dinosaur eating gnomes, so if you have any family or friends that like dinosaurs or you like them yourselves, this is a great little gift idea that can really spruce up the yard. So what we're going to do is open it up. We're going to show you what it looks like, show you how it looks around the house, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Alright, so getting this out of the box, just be aware it's got some of this stuff, if you're not a big fan of these things stick to me wherever I am. That's what I've just learned. Anyway, so you'll see the size of this guy compared to my hand, just to give you an idea, and the little gnomes all over the place. So we're going to get them outside. We're going to blow them off, get rid of all these little pieces that will just not let go of me ever. So just be aware of that as far as cleanup. So let's go ahead and show it outside. So you can do a lot of different things with this, whether you just want to put it on a straight flat piece of concrete, you want to clean an area and bury them, or I'll show you where I'm going to leave them in the backyard. It kind of fits in really nicely into my back area. And hey, don't make fun of me because I haven't mulched in a while. I will get the mulch down, but to me this thing is awesome. It's small, compact, but you know, can be very, very fun, especially if you're gonna have him next to some other other garden decorative statues. So hope this review helps. Totally worth buying if you like dinosaurs, or if you know anybody that does. Thanks for watching.